Welcome back to Android Tutorials. In this video, we are going to finally add a scanning function of QR code. In this video, I am going to add a QR code scanning function in our Android application with an library, means with using an library, and we are going to uh, toast a message of the result. And in next video we are going to design for a result activity. So without wasting time, let's begin our today's Android tutorial. And if you had not watched now also our previous video, then you can watch that to understand this series completely. First of all, we have to implement this line of code dependency in our project, and you will find that link of that library in the video's description or in the comment section. And don't forget to write a comment about this library. So here I am just implementing that library and syncing my project. And then move to your package name and right click over there and create new, move to activity and add empty activity. This activity will for our dashboard activity. So here I am going to write dashboard activity and then click enter. Then this will generate a resource for us. So we have to wait for it to generate its resource. So here you can see that I have my activity underscore dashboard, and here we have dashboard java file. So currently our Gradle build is running, so we will not find the library that we had implemented in this. So we have to wait for it to complete its sync process. Till that I am going to explain you our dependency, and the this link will in the description as well as in comment section. And you can see that here we find the features like autofocus and flashlight control. Then we can add portrait and landscape orientations also, and we can also use a back and front facing camera. It is customizable and Kotlin friendly also. So if you are Kotlin developer, then you can also add this in your Kotlin language also. And the last is touch focus. If our image is in blur format, then we are going to add a function that will automatically come into a focus. Now let us move down to the code side. So here there is only one frame layout, in that there is code here. So let's see our Gradle build. So I think it will work. So let's see code scanner, then we will automatically get the idea. No, it doesn't come yet, so we have to wait for it. So here I am going to copy this code and implement in my dashboard activity design part. So here you can see that I had paste this, and here it will generate error because this build model is not complete, but afterwards it will remove automatically. And change this constraint layout to relative layout. So here Gradle is going to complete soon. So here we had added our code, and don't worry about this error, after some time it will move. Here next the code that we have to follow is in our activity, and we have to just copy and paste this code and we will get all the functions automatically. So here is for our main activity. In our case it is dashboard activity code. So let us wait for Android Studio to complete. After we will add the more code. So in dashboard activity, here you can see that private code scanner, M code scanner. So I am starting implementing it. Hopefully this will not generate error here. Yes, and also here you can see that it is finished. Yeah, here we have our layout with all this control. Here is zoom and here is for flash, and I'm going to give its ID as a scanner view already. So here we are going to write scanner view, and here you can see our design for code scanning. And if you want to change this, then you may change as per your need. Now here we have code scanner, find view by ID, and then in M code scanner we have new code scanner. In this we have to pass our code scanner view and then set decode callback. So after some time it will decode it and we will get our result that will final, and it will also not null. And then in scanner view, on click listener we are going to start the preview on, and in on resume we are going to start preview, and in on post we are going to release all the resources. So let us add this all code also. So here I am copying this code fully from here to downward. So here you can see that I am copying all this code, and in our dashboard activity we are going to remove this both lines and paste it here, and press Ctrl A plus Ctrl Alt L to implement and align all the code. Next you will find many errors, so you have to start writing Alt Enter, and you will import its classes automatically. So here you can see that I am just pressing Alt Enter. So Alt Enter also for result, toast, and for our view. And here you will find one error, that is main activity.this. So we are going to replace this with dashboard activity, and here you can see that our code is implemented, and here we will get our result. In next video we are going to start a new intent by taking this result to next activity, so that we can show that result deeply. And in our paper onboarding screen we are going to add on write out method. We have to remove this toast now and write start activity, or first write intent is equal to new intent with this activity to dashboard activity dot class. Next we are going to write here context, so also give this class paper onboarding activity dot this. Now you can see that our error is gone, so simply start new activity So start activity. This activity will be our intent, and then by paper onboarding it will automatically get that. But in our main activity also we have a new handler. So if user is second time, then it should go to intent of dashboard intent. So here I am writing intent, then splash screen not but main activity dot this, and then we have to write dashboard activity dot class, and then I'm going to start activity of this intent, and by this way you will find your application will display the result code in the form of toast. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure you like and share this Android tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and watch our previous videos to understand this video properly. Thanks for watching, and link is in the description for that library. Thanks for watching Android tutorials.